Hello there. I saw a video on Steve WB's channel today. He did make a thumbnail for his YouTube video with Adobe Premiere. That was a great idea, and you should visit his channel and see if you can find that video. I'm going to show you the same thing on a Mac with FinalCutProX. Let's get started. I grabbed nails and a thumb with Google Image Search and made sure they are royalty-free and safe to use. Thanks to the guys that took those pictures for us. I just dragged those two images into FCPX. Just pick a great spot in the video. We can use that as our background. Let's put the thumb over here. Oh well, the nails were selected too. Move them over to the right. We start with the thumb first. The hand has the arm cut off. Let us position that hand over to the left edge of our frame. I resize my workspace here a little. That way you guys can see better what is going on over here. We need to get rid of the white area around it. Using a color keyer for that. Selecting the key color, and then we do the same with the nails. The nails need rotation and scale, and then we need to mask out the part that sticks in the thumb. We just draw a mask around the area, and then we invert the mask. Watch me play around with the control points to make this look good. Zoom to 100% and have a good look at that area. Here in this little screen preview area we can select the part of the video we want to work on. Picking a simple title will help. Just regular text. We use Helvetica New and extra bold, and then we outline that font. Adjust the size to huge. Red outline, yes, that looks good. Now another background element for this? Steve WB had this Ray image in the back. Let's try that too. Just a different color, not that he says we copied this from him. And less rays should look better. A few minor adjustments and there we go. Now we just export this frame. I always export as TIFF image to not lose anything to compression. Also keep in mind that we are working in 4K, and Steve did work in 1080p. That means we want to resize our thumbnail. When we double-click on a picture on a Mac, it opens with the Preview app. It gives us generic editing abilities. Resizing the image is pretty easy here. We use 1920 by 1080 pixels for this and save the thumbnail. Done and good. That was all I wanted to show you. Hope you liked it.